I'm joined by Dr. Shawn London from the Emergency Medicine Department at Hartford Hospital. Thank you so much for being with us, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
3D masks we know have been important. You were one of the first hospitals with your resident coming up with a formula to use them and help the staff. How are these 3D masks going for you?
They're going well. So what we have been doing is trying to plan for the worst case scenario, so that we have been printing these masks so that if we get into a scenario where we're overrun with patient volume or our supplies get more constrained, we have this sort of backup supply.
Yeah, it's amazing what the 3D printers can do. What does this process entail?
So basically, if you imagine the way a conventional inkjet printer that you have at home works, the way it sort of lays down a layer of ink, sort of the same thing happens in the 3D printer, but instead of laying down just one layer of ink, it lays down a layer of plastic over itself. And as you go through hundreds of layers, you are able to build up larger items. And we've also been responding to the need in sort of the moment to also use 3D printers to build things like face shields and mask protectors to try to help with our healthcare workers' response.
Yeah, you've really expanded. Is this cost effective?
It's actually very cost effective, because once you have the printer, a kilogram of the plastic is only $20 or so. So you can make a large number of these items with a pretty small amount of plastic.
And how many have you made so far?
So between us and our community partners, we've made several hundred masks and many hundreds of the face shields. And our main community partners that have been super helpful with production of the masks and the face shields, Makerspace, and also the Montessori School of Greater Hartford has been really helpful, because we've been able to repurpose office supplies and laminate to make the plastic for the face shields.
Such ingenuity. Thank you so much, Dr. London, for showing us the new inventions.
Thank you for the opportunity to share what we're doing.